dangerous. And for that reason, we are giving AlphaTauri a completely new look for Season 4. They are emerging as a team that people need to be worried about, and so we've given them a more prominent looking livery that kind of harnesses them as another secondary Red Bull team rather than a junior sister team, you know, pushed aside, trying to advertise a clothing company. They're still called AlphaTauri in-game. You've still got AlphaTauri stickering there on the side pod, but now you've got the iconic Red Bull livery stickering as well on the nose and the engine cover to denote their importance to Helmut Marko and the Red Bull family now. And I think we're gonna, I wouldn't be surprised if we see Gas and Tsunoda fighting for some podiums this season for sure. Then we come to Alpine, Ocon, Lando individually, but I could be proven wrong. If their car's quick enough, their car's quick enough. So let's just see. But this is the livery then, a Golf McLaren livery. There's a link to this mod from Race Department in the description. A fantastic mod made by someone in the community. I think a lot of you guys were wanting the Golf McLaren to make a feature. So, McLaren, they've won the Drivers' Championship with Lando Norris now. Golf, they see that as a good opportunity to get even more exposure for themselves, and McLaren able to attract some more sponsors for the team. So the livery change makes sense. Maybe time for him to retire because he's got such low focus and he's just taking up a seat at what could be a top team. But the Silver Arrows do retain their silver car from last season. You guys were really digging the silver Mercedes back in Season 3, so we've retained it for Season 4. Let's see whether Verstappen and Hamilton, crazy lineup, can actually bring some success back to Brackley in terms of compared to the other guys. But genuinely, in terms of the career mode and how they've gone, that's a big statement from Red Bull. I think that's a very exciting, fiery lineup from them, and PTSD inducing for me in terms of my former teammates. But for this season, Season 4, we've returned a bit of colour, a bit of, panache to Red Bull's livery, and we've gone for a retro throwback to the Infinity 2013 days for Red Bull Racing. So, let's call it Red Bull on a road to recovery. They've not been too well for the last 2 seasons. A slight uptick in improvement at the end of last season. So because of that, they're trying to get some more sponsors in, some more cash to build momentum to, charge back up to the front. And honestly, if you look at the kind of stable that Red Bull have of Perez, Schumacher in this team, Gasly and Tsunoda in the other AlphaTauri team that is now a more bolstered, solid second team, I think as a whole, the 4 of them are very scary. That's a scary prospect in terms of 4 Red